I put my heart and soul into this wash and go, y'all. Like, you don't understand. Everything that they say you're supposed to do to get a good wash and go, I did that.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. If you just so happen to be new, I'm Denasiha, this is Adira, and this is our channel. Today's video is another damn wash and go. Now, before you click off because you've seen all of my other wash and go videos because you're amazing and you love me and you love my hair, this is not any wash and go, okay? This is the wash and go. This is the most defined, the most moisturized, the most stretched, the most bouncy and boom, can't even get it out, I'm so excited. Voluminous wash and go on day one. On day one, okay? I did my hair last night. I finished it this morning. This is about 4 hours later after going to an event, being in the sun, riding in the car with the windows down, going to the grocery store, and I just got back home to film my intro. I'm all sweaty and glistening now. But you know, my hair still looks good. Dare I say perfect? I don't know. But just know, this is the wash and go, okay? So if you don't see any of my other wash and go videos, you need to see this one because I did not skip a step. I showed y'all every single thing. I showed you step by step. I explained. I even diffused on camera. Listen, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet because we're just gonna get into the video so that you can see. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you actually like my video. I'm really excited, obviously, to share this one with you guys. So please watch the video all the way through, okay? Watch it all the way through. And if you like it and if you try it, like my video, subscribe to my channel. The end. Let's go. So, my hair has been shampooed. No conditioner, no deep conditioner. That's what I am about to apply right now. And she is struggling. She is still very much dry. I can definitely tell the difference when I do not wash and deep condition my hair every week. I skipped 1 week, guys. I skipped 1 week and I can, no. Just no. This is not what we do. Because I'm going for that really defined wash and go this time, I'm gonna be a little more detailed, so you'll see that as well. Now, I suggest that if you're gonna do this, pick a deep conditioner that is extremely moisturizing. In addition to that, I want you to also choose a deep conditioner that not only has a lot of moisture, but has a lot of slip, because I need to be very thorough with my detangling process and I need the moisture on top of that. The deep conditioner that I'm using for that is going to be my TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This stuff is amazing. This bottle is almost empty and I think this is like my third or fourth one I've had. So, never gets old. Never gets old. This deep conditioner is the slipperiest deep conditioner I've ever used, and it is extremely moisturizing. But in addition to that, just to be extra, not because I absolutely need it, but just because I just want my hair to be extremely moisturized, I'm going to combine that deep conditioner with another one. Also because I'm getting really low on this and I'm probably going to use the rest of it. So I'm also going to use my J Organics mask. This stuff, super thick, super moisturizing. So it's the J Organics Shea and Honey Replenish and Store Deep Conditioner. So I'm going to be using my J Organics and then I'm going to also be using the TGIN Honey Hair Mask. I'm going to put those together, put it in my hair. And as always, I'm going to follow up with my homemade hair growth oil, okay? So this is going to go on my scalps and my scalps. I don't have multiple scalps. So this is going to go on my scalp and on the ends of my hair. I'm getting a little low, but we got some more coming. We got some more coming. We got some more coming. TGIN J Organics My Hair Oil. Sorry. Alright, so this is how she's looking before I do anything. Dry to the touch. This is terrible. TGIN first. And I just want you to see how much slip this product has. So this is going to be kind of working as my detangling conditioner, and although it's definitely moisturizing to use, and it is moisturizing enough to use on its own, but I'm still going to take the extra step and use the J Organics mask on top. So my hair is going to get all that she needs tonight. Oh yeah. Revived. If you're not giving yourself scalp massages, I won't necessarily say weekly, even though I'm going to suggest weekly, but if you're not doing them at all, girl or boy, get it together. Do your scalp massages, okay? Okay, so it is now 11:18 and we are still going strong. I rinsed out my deep conditioner and I actually rinsed it out in the twist. Real cute. So I did rinse it out in the twist. I already have my sections for doing the wash and go, and my hair doesn't dry as quickly in the twist as it would if it was just out. So I'm gonna begin the wash and go process. And my products of choice, I'm gonna be using the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey line, the Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner, and I picked up today the matching curl smoothie. So I'm excited to see what this does for me. So my combination is gonna be leave-in, smoothie, my herbal oil, the Xtreme Gel. So that's the order that I'm putting everything in. This one section has already told me all that I need to know. This is a really good combination. So come a little closer so I can show you guys how this looks step by step. This is the size section that I'm working with. So this is my deep conditioned, damp hair, no product on it. Okay? Okay, so this is my hair with the leave-in. Okay, and this is leave-in and curl smoothie. With the gel. So that's all products added. And I'm gonna add a little bit more to my roots. So obviously I'm gonna skip ahead because I'm doing the exact same thing that I just showed you multiple times on my whole head. And then once it's done, I will come back and show you how I'm going to sleep. Alrighty, 12:01. I am done applying everything. This is gonna be super defined. So now I need to stretch it and prepare it for bed. So what I think I'm gonna do is very, very, very carefully put this into 4 sections instead of 2. Okay, we can do this. So basically I'm gonna take the top half and separate it from the bottom half, and I need to look in the mirror and not in the camera. This is important. So when I put my satin scrunchie on my hair, I'm gonna do it like a normal ponytail, but I want to extend that ponytail so that the hair is more stretched. So I'm going to use multiple. So I'm going to put this one here, but instead of just wrapping it around the same spot, I'm going to wrap it down the length of my hair. Perfect. So just like this. So what this is gonna do is gonna allow my hair to dry stretched instead of shrinking up while I'm asleep. Hello, good morning. So this is the next day. I did take my scarves off from sleeping while I was like doing things around the house. That way I could give my hair a little bit more time to dry, and I think that that helped a lot. All the like ends are dry, the roots are dry, but as to be expected, underneath these little ponytails where the hairs really did sleep pack together, that is not dry. Just for you guys, I really don't want you to miss this important step, so let me go get that really quick. And I know you're not gonna like it. I'm sorry. The rules are, you want to You want to manipulate your hair as little as possible. Stretch it, but try your best not to comb through any curls, break any curls apart, none of that, okay? We're just trying to simply dry the hair in the same exact position that it was already dried. Now, if you got a couple of days on your hands, you can just wait it out like this for a couple of days. But I don't know who can look like this for a couple of days. Blow dryer and diffuser, it's gonna be on low heat. Remove the hair tie. Yeah, 90% dry, because that's pretty wet. But you can see that this is how my hair is stretched. I'm going to hold the ends right here that are already dry and kind of like protect them from additional heat. And I'm going to pull my hair to about here. I don't want to pull it too straight, but I'm going to pull it right here, and I'm going to hold the diffuser to help dry that hair. And my hair is now dry and elongated while it's dry. So that's the point. Let me zoom in. Come closer. So that is how it looks once it's dry. Now, we obviously still have to fluff and pick it out and break the gel cast, but that's gonna be the very last step. This is just the goal of diffusing. Perfect, cool. So my hair is now about 97% dry, mostly dry. It's just a couple of spots in the roots that are not, but I'm not trying to just, I'm trying to be here all day. So The next step is to give my hair volume. Because it's so defined, it's very flat and kind of like bleh. Some people might like this look, but I like volume. The first thing I like to do is all of the sections that I just diffused, I'm going to diffuse in the opposite direction. But now I'm going to flip it over and diffuse this section this way. I'm going to flip this up, diffuse this section this way. And what this is doing is kind of like lifting the hair and giving it more volume and allowing it to dry in that state. So I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell that there is a difference between this side that I diffused upside down and this side that I haven't. Still not done, still have some fluffing to do. We still haven't even broken the gel cast, but I just want you to kind of see each step and what's happening here. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is the best wash and go I've done in a long time. I put my heart and soul into this one, okay? I'm starting to run out of time, so I'm going to finish up. When it comes to breaking the gel cast, basically you're just gonna take it and kind of like stretch it and loosen your hair up, and that just automatically breaks. So this is how she looks when she is stretched, defined, fluffed, and the cast is broken. This is how she looks before when it's just dry. So dry, dry, stretched, and fluffed, and ready to go. All right, now I am done. Get in focus, get in focus, get in focus, get in focus. I'm done and I'm running out of time. So the last thing, once my hair is looking pretty much the way that I want it, I'm gonna take this pick thingy. I don't know where I got this. I think I got it from my mom. It's like kind of a pick, whatever, it's my pick. And I'm gonna fluff out my roots. Just the roots. I'm not going through the curl, not messing up all my hard work. Ooh, child, this is... Ooh. This is how you do a wash and go. Ooh. Oh my God. Adira, look at you, girl. This is gonna be my highest ranked video. I'm claiming that. Okay, I'm done. Sorry. All right, let me give you a I really hope that's in focus, but okay. I need to get dressed.